Are you ready to level up your cloud career? Let's dive into some AWS practice questions to sharpen your skills and boost your confidence for the certification exam. Let's start with security. Question 591 highlights the importance of IAM best practices. Remember, sharing access keys is a big no-no. Always create individual IAM users and use groups to manage permissions efficiently. Question 592 focuses on compliance. As cloud architects, you need to know where to find critical compliance reports. AWS Artifact is your go-to resource for PCI reports and other compliance documentation. Now let's talk networking. Question 593 asks about distributing traffic to EC2 instances. The answer is an application load balancer, ALB. ALBs are essential for managing web traffic and ensuring high availability. Question 594 tests your knowledge of the AWS global infrastructure. AWS regions and availability zones, AZs, are the foundation of AWS's resilient and scalable architecture. Understanding this is crucial for designing robust cloud solutions. The shared responsibility model is a core concept. Questions 595 and 596 emphasize that AWS handles the security of the underlying infrastructure while you are responsible for securing your data and applications. Encryption is always your responsibility. Question 597 delves into web traffic filtering. AWS WAF, Web Application Firewall, allows you to implement custom conditions to control inbound web traffic, protecting your applications from common web exploits. Question 598 explores network connectivity. AWS Direct Connect provides a dedicated network connection for consistent performance. This is ideal for companies needing reliable bandwidth. Question 599 focuses on EC2 instance purchasing options. For temporary, variable workloads that cannot be interrupted, on-demand instances are the best choice. They offer flexibility without long-term commitments. Question 600 addresses remote work solutions. Amazon Workspaces provides managed workstations in the cloud, allowing employees to use personal devices securely. Question 601 tests your data querying skills. Amazon Athena allows you to use SQL to directly query objects in Amazon S3, making data analysis easier and more efficient. Question 602 emphasizes high availability. Multi-AZ deployments in Amazon RDS ensure your database remains available even if one availability zone fails. Question 603 introduces serverless computing for containers. AWS Fargate provides serverless compute for containers, eliminating the need to manage underlying infrastructure. Question 604 focuses on billing. AWS Organizations allows you to consolidate billing across multiple AWS accounts, simplifying cost management. Question 605 tests your knowledge of firewalls. Security groups control network connections to and from individual EC2 instances, providing granular control over network traffic. Question 606 explores cost optimization. Deploying EC2 instances in an auto-scaling group allows you to automatically scale resources based on demand, minimizing operational costs. Question 607 highlights free AWS benefits. Access to AWS developer forums is always free, regardless of your support plan. Question 608 focuses on long-term cost savings. Reserved instances offer significant discounts for long-term commitments. Question 609 tests your auditing skills. AWS CloudTrail tracks API calls and user activity, enabling you to audit recent AWS account activity. Questions 6 and 10 emphasizes reliability. Automatically recovering from failure and stopping guessing capacity are key principles of the AWS well-architected framework. Question 611 explores static website hosting. Hosting a static website on Amazon S3 offers the least operational overhead. Question 612 focuses on cost reduction. AWS Cost Explorer can recommend terminating idle instances to reduce costs. Question 613 highlights the benefits of multi-AZ deployments. They provide resilient architecture and a highly available solution. Question 614 tests your knowledge of AWS updates. Amazon SNS allows you to subscribe to RSS feeds for updates about AWS service issues. Question 615 focuses on reserved instance terms. A 3-year term commitment provides the most cost savings. Question 616 explores cost-effective options for big data. Spot instances are the most cost-effective option for workloads that can tolerate occasional downtime. Question 617 focuses on cost-effective options for short, uninterrupted workloads. On-demand instances are the most cost-effective option for workloads that run for a short period and cannot be interrupted. Questions 6 and 18 test your knowledge of AWS support plans. AWS Business Support is the most cost-effective option for API access. Question 6 and 19 highlights the benefits of cloud computing. Trading fixed expense for variable expense is a key advantage. Question 620 focuses on workload optimization. Savings plans are the best solution for predictable critical workloads. Question 6 and 21 tests your knowledge of cost estimation. AWS Pricing Calculator allows you to estimate the cost of your AWS architecture. Question 622 focuses on access management. AWS IAM Identity Center allows you to centrally manage employee access to multiple AWS accounts. Question 623 explores resource optimization. AWS Cost Explorer and AWS Compute Optimizer provide functionality to optimize existing Amazon EC2 resources. Question 624 focuses on multi-account environments. AWS Control Tower supports setting up new multi-account AWS environments. Question 625 tests your knowledge of AWS CDK. Python and TypeScript are supported programming languages. Question 626 highlights the AWS Cloud Adoption Framework. Cloud fluency belongs to the people perspective. Now that you've tackled these practice questions, you're one step closer to AWS certification success. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth AWS tutorials and exam tips. Download our free practice exam PDF using the link in the description below and test your knowledge. Share this video with your fellow cloud enthusiasts, and let's conquer the cloud together.